Hey guys, I got this 2011 Toyota Rav4 here, and I'm going to be showing you how to install some Auxito 9006 LED bulbs. So, fairly simple. First thing you do, order these up. Use code TECH28 for 10% off your purchase order. We got some nice bulbs here. In order to remove these, fairly simple, straightforward. I'm just going to reach back in here. We want the big pod in the headlight right here. Okay. We're going to pull that out, and then on this brown connector, you see that little tab there? You're going to press that down, and then you're going to be able to unplug the light. It might be a little stuck, but once you get it out, that's it. And you can see the code there on the very back of the bulb, 9006. So we grab our new bulb, we just plug it in, stick it in there, and lock it into place. Now these bulbs, they have three little tabs on them. They need to line up. When we removed it, we turned it counterclockwise, right? So we went this way, which means our bulb's gonna have to go in on a bit of an angle like that. And you'll feel it. You can take a look at it as well. Just make sure that it does seat in there flush. I'm just gonna plug that in. Sorry, I gotta, cool, so we got that in, sitting in there nice and flush. Okay, now this side's a little different because we have this coolant reservoir in the way, but that's no problem. Basically all you're gonna do here, we gotta remove a couple things, but if you wanted to, you might be able to just sneak that bolt out with a wrench. It's a 10mm bolt, or if you want to do it properly, you could take this shield off, and it's only secured by a whole bunch of these push pins. So the center just pops down like that, and then you just lift this thing out. And you go around and you take all of them out, and then this whole plastic centerpiece comes off. Once it's off, you're gonna have access to that 10mm bolt. You take that out, and then there's another 10mm bolt just down here. You take that out, you can move this thing out of the road enough that you can stick your hand in there. And if you really had to, if you need more room, this washer fluid neck, same thing. You push the little center in on the clip, pop that out, and it's like an accordion style filler neck, so you can just move it out of the road. Use a bungee strap or whatever, and once it's out of the way, you'll have lots of room to get in there and twist the bulb out. Now I'm going to shut the lights off, and we'll turn these on and compare from left to right, regular to LED. All right, so there's a good comparison. You can see just how bright the Auxito LED lights are compared to the halogen bulbs. Looks like these are powered by candles in comparison. You can feel a substantially larger amount of heat coming out of this lens than the other one. Also, just the sheer amount of light that comes out of the headlight with the LEDs in it is absolute game changer. You could probably see an extra 30 or 40 feet in front of you compared to these halogen bulbs, and the life's better. They don't use as much power. They're just all around a better upgrade than putting a regular halogen in. It's totally worth it, and they look awesome. So if you want some, check out the link in the description. Like I say, TECH28 for 10% off, and yeah, subscribe, hit the like button. We'll see you in the next one.